Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the workspace. Open the app you want on the left, then expose the dock by swiping up a little from the bottom. Once done, press and hold the second app's icon in the dock. Drag it toward the right edge of the screen. You'll see a narrow preview. This indicates split screen is possible. Make sure the apps support multitasking. If one resists, try a different app or update iPad OS before continuing. Once the preview appears, release the app to snap it beside the first app. This creates split view with a vertical divider. You can drag that divider left or right to resize, hold briefly for fine control, then slide. Make sure to use the center grabber to switch focus or swap apps. Dragging an app from the dock into the middle replaces one side. If you need a temporary overlay instead, drop the app halfway to create slide over and keep interaction flexible. To finish, use the divider to set your preferred layout and work. Drag it fully right or left to close the split when done. If split view won't engage, restart the iPad and check for iPad OS updates. Some apps simply don't support multitasking, so try a different app to confirm. Also use the app switcher to rearrange or close apps. And remember that gestures and dock placement affect behavior. Adjust settings in display and brightness if touch response seems off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.